Welcome. In front of me is a Poco C40 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now to get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. Though they usually look something more like this. But obviously if you can find it, you can also use something else like a paper clip. If you straighten out one of the ends, it should work just as well. Anyway, so once you have anything like that, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, as you can see right here. Push the pin in, and you will see that the tray pops out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you can see we have space for dedicated SD card and two different dedicated spots for SIM cards. When it comes into SIM cards, you can occupy either one of these slots or both of them if you want to. And obviously for the SD card, just place it next to it. So there we go. From here, carefully insert it back into your phone. There is nothing holding those cards in place, so if they like do this, they will just, as you can see, completely fall out. Which probably wasn't the best thing to show right now. Anyway. There we go. Now once you insert your cards, I can see that they should start working immediately. It's already telling me to put my SIM card pin. So I'm gonna verify that. And SIM card is working. SD card should be working as well, so let's see if I can find any kind of notifications associated with it. Oh, wait, there it is. So SD card, tap to safely remove device. How about now? There we go. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.